Good morning, children. In our today's class, we will go and discuss the sample paper of the session 2021. So here, this one is the blueprint of your sample paper. Children, your complete exam in your board exam, it is of 2 hours, and here it is total marks is 50. Okay, in board exams. Now here, this one is the blueprint of your this paper. Part A, your employability skills. This consists 10 marks, and in this 10 mark, you will check this is the blueprint given by CBSE. From this unit, communication skill, 1 mark question, 1 question is there, 2 mark, 1 question is there, total 2 questions are there from this unit. Self management skills, 2 question of 1 mark, 1 question of 2 mark, total 3 questions are there from this unit. Like this, you will check all the questions are there. Now part B, subject specific skills. Here you will check objective type question 1 mark, digital documentation, total 6 questions are there of 1 mark, 1 question is there of 2 mark, and 1 question is there of 4 mark. Total 8 questions are there from digital documentation. Like this, electronic spreadsheet 9 questions, DBMS 9, and web applications 9 questions are there from all these units. So total 40 marks from this unit, subject specific skills, and total 50 marks. Now children, we will go through the sample paper questions that is given by CBSE. In today's class, we will discuss these sample paper questions. First one is, Karan lives in a hostel in Shimla. He calls his mother who live in Delhi to get her approval for the robotics class which is going to start in his school next week onwards. However, due to disruptions in the phone lines, his mother could not understand and give him reply. It means he is not getting reply from his mother for this robotic class he will join or not. So he got very upset. Now which another medium he will use to get immediate approval from his mother? Now children, you will tell that message through friend is he will choose this method. It will take time. No, we will not suggest him this. Letter take time. Fax, children, for fax he required fax machine, so it means he will also not choose this thing. So email is the best option. Email his mother can open in her mobile also. So by this email his mother can give reply to him immediately. Email stands for electronic mail. Okay, now children, second question is, Trisha is always tense during her exam time. She is sincere and studious student, but the thought of exams create anxiety in her. Which stress management technique that you will suggest her to help her? Now out of these you will select which technique you will suggest her for this stress management. Yoga, exercise, vacation with family, any of the methods she can choose, and out of all these three her stress is reduced. So here all of these is the correct answer, that out of these that I have with any method she can choose, with all these methods her stress can be managed. Question number 3, dash ability of a person to do the things that need to be done without someone or something influencing us. Children, question is, ability of a person to do things that need to be done without someone or something influencing us, without someone motivation. If you are doing anything, then it means what type of motivation it is? Self motivation. You are motivating yourself. So for doing that task you don't require anyone help and no one is influencing you to do that thing. So correct answer is self motivation. Next is, according to the concept of sustainable development, the environment and development are dash issues. Children, according to the concept of sustainable development means that we are growing our future without compromising the needs of the present. So here in sustainable development, environment and development are dash issues. Which type of issues these are? Environment and development. Environment भी safe होना चाहिए, development भी होना चाहिए. So they both are inseparable issues. इनको separate नहीं कर सकते. They both are linked to each other. Next is, the cleaning of software installed in the computer cannot be achieved by the cleaning of software installed in the computer. Okay, cannot be achieved by this cleanup, backup, installing antivirus software, or cleaning CPU cabinet. Children, here is cleaning of software. Cleaning of software means something inside the computer. So if you are cleaning CPU cabinet, it doesn't help you in cleaning the softwares. ठीक है, अगर सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन है, कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर से क्लीनिंग करना है तो डिस्क क्लीनअप वी कैन यूज, antivirus we can install, it will block these type of software. Backup, you will take your data and then uninstall that particular program. Cleaning CPU cabinet cannot help you in achieving this cleaning of software. Okay, now children, next is entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the dash of the society. Entrepreneurship has a crucial role. So crucial role in, here you will check evolution. Evolution means generation or generating of the society. Entrepreneurship is playing crucial role. No, society तो वैसे भी डेवलप होगी. प्लानिंग, प्लानिंग में हो सकता है प्लानिंग ऑफ द सोसाइटी. नो, क्योंकि प्लानिंग में क्या है, हेयर एंटरप्रीनियरशिप इज नॉट प्लेइंग क्रूशियल रोल. रोल तो प्ले कर रहा है बट मेजर नहीं है वहां पे. नन ऑफ दिस, it is wrong. So here, functioning, that entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the functioning of the society. Children, we have learned now that entrepreneurship and society, they both are linked to each other. Entrepreneur depend on society for work. In the same manner, society depend on that entrepreneur, that they will give them opportunity, they will give them job opportunity, and by that they can earn money, and with that they can do their development. So entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the functioning of the society. Okay, so means society and entrepreneur, they both are depend on each other. Now children, next question is, dash is not an instant messaging service. Out of this you have to select which one is not an instant messaging service. Children, instant messaging means by which we can instantly, in real time we are sharing the message. WhatsApp is the biggest example of this instant messaging that we are using in our nowadays. Skype is just similar to your WhatsApp. By this also you are doing chatting. Yahoo Messenger, by this also we are exchanging the message. Firefox, children, Firefox is a browser. So by this browser we are surfing on the internet, we are searching something on internet. So it is not an instant messaging service. So correct answer is Firefox. Children, next question is, dash is a process of emptying a place in case of an emergency disaster. Dash is the process of emptying a place in case of emergency. During emergency, if any fire is there, so what you are doing? We people are leaving that campus. People are emptying that place. So it means evacuation. Evacuation, children, there in this unit you have, if you remember, we have learned about emergency evacuation. Okay, emergency evacuation means during the time of emergency, how we can emptying that space, how we can leave that space. So these methods we deal in this evacuation process. And if first option is accident is the process of emptying place, totally wrong. Hazards means these disasters, so totally wrong. And exiting means out ona. So here dash is the process of emptying a place in case of emergency. If emergency is there, then what we are doing, we are leaving that place. So this process is known as evacuation. Now children, next is, Richard needs to be set up a network for his office where he want to save all the data in the centralized system. Centralized system means one system is there in the center and other computer will take the services from the centralized system. Other computer are taking the information from this computer. So this, which method is this one? Here you will check which one is this one. Here this option is in the client server. We have learned now in web application. Client server, sorry, something wrong. This one is server and these are the clients. Okay, so client server method, this one. Here client is sending the request, server is giving the response to the client. So centralized system is this client server. Here peer to peer, children, peer to peer means point to point and point to point. Dekho, here it is given na, point to point and peer to peer network, they both are same. Peer to peer and point to point में क्या होता है, that every node is connected to every other node and at any instant of time anyone can act as server, anyone can act as a client. But in question it is given that data is stored on one central system and other computer will take service from that. So correct answer is your client server. Okay. Now fourth option is your ring. Children, in ring topology, what is there? That every computer is connected to every other computer and they form one ring there. So this one is your ring topology. In ring topology, here this time this one is server and this one is client giving information. Now this one is server, this one is client, this one is giving information. So this one is your ring topology. here children, next question is, so correct answer of this question is client server. Next question is, a dash is a device that converts digital computer signal into analog signal that can travel over phone lines and vice versa. Children, if you remember, in communication cycle we have learned this one is client is sending message. Now this message is going there because here you are making call to your friend, so means you are whatever we are speaking, that one is analog signal, and this channel is a medium by which we are sharing this message. On the other side again this modem, and this modem will convert that analog signal, that digital signal to in analog signal. Now here this one is your message again, and this one is server. Okay, what is a device that convert digital computer signal to analog signal? Children, what we are speaking, this one is analog signal. You have remember, this one is analog signal. I am saying hello, hello, hello. So this one is analog signal, but our machine, it work on digital signal like this. Computer is also working on digital signal. This one is 1, this one is 0, 1, 0. So this is digital signal. So what device we are using for converting analog to digital or digital to analog? Because we are human being, I am giving call to you, I am saying hello, this one is my analog signal. And but in channel, which signal it will move? In channel, that's digital signal will move. So here what is there? So in this, which device we can say that convert digital to analog signal? That one is modem. Modem stands for modulation, demodulation. Modem, here you will check modulation and demodulation. DEM, demodulation, means conversion of analog to digital, digital to analog. This function is done by modem. Okay. Now children, our next question is, dash is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that you define in the spreadsheet. Children, here question is to minimize or to maximize the result according to the set of rules. Maximize karna hai, minimize karna hai, means here you are doing changes in your result. So correct answer here is solver. Scenario we are using when we are comparing between different data. Goal Z, it work on one single data. Subtotal, if you want to calculate the total of month wise, okay, year wise, means you want to calculate the subtotal in place of grand total. So we are using subtotal function. Correct answer is solver. Next is, dash refers to vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to those anchor point. Children, here question is refers to the vertical and horizontal placement. Vertical placement, horizontal placement. So this one of a graphic, of a image in relation to choose anchor point. Okay, means you are setting your image there vertically or horizontally. This means what you are doing. Footer nahi ho sakta. Margin, that we are giving space from the this paper edge to your alignment. This one is margin. Headings on the top or at the bottom of the page, we are giving header and footer. So correct answer is your alignment. Alignment we are using for this horizontal and this one is horizontal and this vertical, set to place the image in horizontal and vertical manner. Okay. Now children, our next question is, Krishna want to make a flow chart for his program in the Word document. Which option should he use to accomplish this task efficiently? Now children, out of this you will tell that if he want to create a Word document, he want to create his flow chart in the Word document. What is flow chart? Flow chart is the set of instructions that when we are creating any program in computer, first we are creating its blueprint. ठीक है, हम उसका डिज़ाइन पहले रेडी करते हैं. सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू प्रिपेयर टी एट माई होम, सो फॉर फर्स्ट आई एम मेकिंग रफ आइडिया दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप इज that I'll go and place water there, then add sugar in this, then add milk. Like this I am writing flow chart. Okay, I am writing steps there. So this one is flow chart. And in Word document, if you want to create flow chart, so what do you require there? Symbols so hote hain that they are showing symbol there. Okay, means specific symbols are there, so we will not use this thing in the flow chart. In your 3rd 4th class, I think you have learned about flow chart. Pictures, so they are not we can use in flowchart. Flowchart is like this. First you have to start, then you are using this shape for giving input, then for giving taking output, and at the last when your flowchart complete, again oval shape, and in this we are writing stop. So this, in this manner we are creating this shape. So in this manner we are creating flowchart. So what we require for this we are requiring drawing and shapes. Okay, now next question is, Fatima has inserted a picture in the document, but she was to cut off a part of the picture. Children, this thing you are doing practically in your normal life also. If you want to cut something from any picture, what you are doing? Copy करते हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं. Layout we are changing? Not at all. कट करते हैं कि हम क्रॉप करते हैं पिक्चर में? कट क्या करते हैं? कट तो हम वी आर यूजिंग इन सॉन्ग, ठीक है, एंड इन पिक्चर्स वी आर यूजिंग crop option we are using. For if you want to cut something from your picture, then we are using crop function. Okay, so crop is the correct answer. Next is, the intersection point between row and column is called, in Excel what we are using? Excel we are using sheet. There in Excel, question is, the intersection of row and column, what it will make? It will make one cell. Intersection of row and column, जब row column intersection होता है, what it will make? It will make one cell. Okay, next is, Amrita is celebrating her 14th birthday, sorry. She wants to invite her friend and family members to the party. Which feature will she use to send the same invite to many people with different address without typing it again and again? So children, now you will tell me the answer. Which method she will use? Which feature she will use? For she wants the same letter to send to different people with different address and without typing it again and again. None of these. Document type, letter wizard, or mail merge. Document type, this is the step we are using in the mail merge. None of these तो हो नहीं सकता. Letter wizard, when we are writing letter in the mail merge, there we are selecting letter wizard option. So correct answer is mail merge. Letter wizard is not any technical term there. Okay, now children, here next question is, a dash is a model that you use to create other document. A dash is a model that you use to create other document. When we are creating other document, we are taking the help of this document. Now what you can say to this document? Sample बोलते हैं हम उसको, wizard, template और styles. Sample, no. The technical correct term is template. Template is a model that we can use to create other document, or we can say it is a predefined document that we can use for creating new document. So correct answer is your template. Okay. Next is, formula in the spreadsheet must begin with. Formula in a spreadsheet must begin with dash sign. Children, right now I have shown you that in previous classes I have shown you that how we can create right formula for which symbol you required, dollar, @ hash, or equals to. Correct answer is equals to. They have shown you that this one is your Excel sheet, this one is A1 column address, because A column 1 row, so address of this cell is A1, address of this cell second row B column, so address of this cell is B2. If you want to write any formula, how we can write? We have to write equals to, and then select first column, whatever operation you want to perform, and then write second column address. So here your formula begin with equals to symbol. Okay, so correct answer is your equals to. I hope whatever we covered till now, I don't think so you are found any problem till this. So children, from this question number 4, we will discuss in our next class. Okay, till this, please do revision of these questions. Okay class, thank you so much for listening. Thank you class.